Hey guys, it's SterlingW. So about 3 weeks ago, I bought this Brother CS7000i sewing machine because it's lightweight, comes with all the parts and equipment to start off to sew, and I actually got it from my aunt who couldn't lift heavy stuff anymore. So she wanted to sew again. Her sewing machine broke down, so I decided to get her this to let her try it out and see how it works. Also do a full review of this thing too. Now, of course, we still have the Singer heavy duty 4322 sewing machine. I love this machine because we use it for denim and heavier items. At the same time, my mom had a Singer for 30 years and she's going to teach me how to use the Singer. So overall, it's pretty straightforward in design. Now, for the Brother CS7000i, this is pretty neat because it's a complete package. Whereas the Singer, I had to buy like the case and stuff. This one already comes with a case. It also comes with like pretty much like 9 feet that you could use with. So there's a lot of variety you could do with this thing. Even though this is like a very simple sewing machine, it even comes with other accessories such as the tabletop that extends the workspace of it, which I thought was pretty awesome. It's a terrific value for what you're getting, for the Brother CS7000i, whereas the Singer one really didn't give you much other than the sewing machine. So overall, the ergonomics and stuff was great, but the main thing is that it comes with all these accessories. So no matter what you want to do, whether it's quilting or whatever, you can actually get started quite quickly with the Brother one. At the same time, the Brother also makes a heavy duty version of this, but for us, we want to figure out if this was actually good for the beginner as well as for the advanced users. And the delicateness of this is pretty awesome. Both my aunt and my mom has told me that it's extremely well tensioned and it's really, really cool in terms of detailing and stuff. So unlike the Singer, this one you basically just type in the pattern you want into the digital display and it basically does it. And it sounds great, by the way. It's a lot lighter than and not as loud as the Singer, and actually does things pretty well. It sounds really different. The Singer one is actually much more heavier, and that's what it's meant for. But at the same time, this is very ergonomic. It's very easy to set up, and we found it's extremely easy to set up compared to the Singer one. So I really think the ergonomics for the Brother is done really well. It just makes so much sense, and the instructions and how to go through this is very well. It also included like instruction books, and it was really easy to read, which is really cool. So overall, it has the auto threader and everything. So it's a little different from the Singer one. This auto threader is a lot simpler to use. You just basically latch it and it latches in and pulls through. So it's a little different from the Singer one, but at the same time, it works really well, just like the other one. Very easy to use. Another good thing that we really love is the fact that that latch thing is on the side. So it's no longer you have to put your hand behind the needle to actually do that latching like the Singer one. This one, the latch is ergonomically placed where your thumb is, so you can quickly just do the latch. Now, what we're doing here is that we're trying to bind this knit, and we're basically just using the single thread needle. So it's pretty cool. Now the good thing is that it's all digital. Singer has knobs, which is very easy to turn and stuff. But at the same time, we've noticed that some of the tension was sometimes a little off. But at the same time, this was all computerized. You just pushed a few buttons, and it's exactly what it is. The only thing I didn't like about that digital display is that it's not backlit, so you might have to shine some light on it to see it. But overall, we had no problems using it. It's really, really good. It's really accurate and precise, and that's what's really good about this one. There's like the backtracking thing, which does it in reverse, which you don't have to use the pedal with, which we really love. In fact, both my aunt and my mom really love that function. Not mention the feet were wider. They have 9 feet that can use with this, so you can actually do a lot of stuff. And of course, the tension and thing was perfect, as well as the different feet allow for much wider use of a lot of the different fabrics and a lot of binding and stuff. Like for us, we're just binding right now. And another good thing was the pedal. The pedal was much more bigger and it didn't slip around like the Singer one. The Singer one's actually smaller. It's about like a third of the size. But at the same time, this is pretty awesome because it's a nice big pedal and it's just simple to use. I mean, I think they did the ergonomics a little better on the Brother than that of the Singer. I love both machines, by the way, and I'll use both machines. because I'm gonna get one of these brothers for myself because it seems very, very useful. This is good for detailed work. The singer is good for the heavy duty work, for the denim and stuff. Anyways, guys, it's SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.